75. F of x equal to a into x power 41 b into x power minus 40. Then f double dash x by f of x. F double dash x by f of x. First calculate first derivative. We want f double dash. That means the second derivative. So first you calculate f dash x, first derivative. See, f dash x n into x power n minus 1 n into x power n minus 1 n into x power n minus 1. So 41a x power 40 minus 40b x power minus 41. This is a f dash. Next, calculate f double dash. F double dash x equal to 41a n into x power n minus 1 minus 40b again n into x power n minus 1. So 41 into 40 1460a 1460a x power 39 minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 1640b x power minus 42 minus 42. Next, this is f double dash. So f double dash x by f of x, given that question, take 1640 common, 1640 common, a into x power 39 b into x power 42 by a into x power 41 b into x power minus 40. So take x square common in the denominator. X square common. A into x power 39 b into x power 42 by a into a power x power 41 into 41 39 plus 2 39 plus 2 plus b into x power minus 42 into x square 41 39 plus 1 plus 2 41 minus 40 x power minus 42 minus 42 plus 2 minus 40. Take this x square common. 1640 39 b into x power minus 42. Take x square common. A x power 39 b x power 42. So final answer is 1640 by x square that is nothing but 1640 x power minus 2, x power minus 2. Given f of x, find f double dash x by f of x. First calculate f dash x, n into x power n minus 1. Same formula in this place also. Next, f double dash, 40 into x power 40 minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. 1640 x power 40 39 minus into minus plus 1640 x power minus 42. Take f double dash x by f, that is the given question. F double dash by f of x. Take x square common, 39 plus 2 minus 42 plus 2. Take x square common, both are cancelled. So 1640 into x power minus 2. Next, bit number 74. A into y power 4 equal to x plus b whole power 5. Then y into y double dash or y2 by y1 whole square. y1 means first derivative, y2 means second derivative. So first take y from this equation. First take y. Y power 4 equal to 1 by a x plus b whole power 5. Remove this 4. Y equal to a power 1 by 4 x plus b whole power 5 by 4. This is y. Next, y1 1 by a into 1 by 4 n into x power n minus 1, 5 by 4 minus 1, 1 by 4, 4 LCM, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. This is y1. Next, second derivative, 1 by a power 1 by 4, 5 by 4 into 1 by 4 into x plus b whole power n minus 1. So 1 by a power 1 by 4, 5 by 16 x plus b whole power 4 LCM, 1 minus 4 minus 3. So this is y, y1, y2. Substitute in this equation y2 by y1 whole square. First y value 1 by a power 1 by 4 x plus b whole power 5 by 4. This is a y. y2 value 1 by a power 1 by 4 5 by 16 x plus b whole power minus 3 by 4. Next, y1 square 1 by a power 1 by 4 5 by 4 x plus b whole power 1 by 4. This is y1, y1 square, y1 square